Here's a big giant fat wiring mess I got myself into. Wiring the complete car front to back because I lost taillights and brake lights last summer and I couldn't find the short, so I decided to rewire the whole thing. So let's turn on the headlights, see if they work. Woohoo! Headlights are on. And the parking lights come on now with the headlights. That's a new option. Didn't do that before stock. Let's go look at the tail lights. Tail lights are on. License plate lights on. Looks good. See if it'll fire up. Looks good. Sounds good. Almost out of gas. Try the blinkers. Blink, blink. Sweet. Everything looks good. Wipers. Now I got to put it all back together. Lucky me. That's all I have for now. Bye.